Hi guys, this is Eric's. In this videos, I'm going to teach you how to create a Instagram advertisement campaign to reach out to your targeted audience to promote your product and services, whatever you are promoting. So this videos has two parts. In first part, I will teach you how to create an Instagram advertisement campaign, and in second part, you will learn how to design advertisement banner. Before I go into tutorial, I want you to do two things. First is to convert your personal Instagram account into business account. I hope you already have done. If not, then go to your Instagram page and look for three dots at the top of the corner. There, click on the three dots and you will find a option called switch to business account. Follow the step and connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page at the same time, and convert your business Instagram account into business account. So this will help you to manage your Instagram ad from Facebook ad manager, because of Facebook and Instagram ad work together. And second thing is to create a business account at Facebook. Facebook business account will help you to manage your Instagram advertisement account, and also give you access to other tools, and it will be very easy to manage your advertisement and multiple ad account from Facebook. So after that, I want to let you know that there are 5 types of advertisement account. First are picture ad, second is video ad, third is cross-sell ad, fourth is slide share, and last 5 is a story ad. All of the ad is similar, but you have to little bit different because of the properties. In a stories ad there will be different graphics and videos and things like that. So in these videos I will choose picture ad, and before I want to let you know also one more thing is that I'm going to choose an example. Let's say you have a e-commerce business, and you want to promote your product on Instagram ads. I'm choosing an example because of the different. If you have different business, then you can choose different types of advertisement objectives, which you will see in first step of creating an Instagram ad. And you can follow these tutorials. If you have different business and different purpose of advertisement, then you can choose different objectives at advertisement account. So let's get started. So I'm using a Facebook ad manager to create a Instagram ad campaign, and I'm using through Facebook business manager, which is same platform, and Facebook and Instagram advertisement platform work together. So in first part I will show you how to target your audience based on interest, and I will teach you about placement, things like that. And second part I will teach you about creating banner for your advertisement campaign. And because of both is very important on overall advertisement campaign. If your ad copy and banner is not well, then targeting audience is not going to help you. So both is important. So let's first create a ad. So first here I'm on Facebook ad manager, so I'm going to click on create new here campaign, and first step is to choose objective. So as I have already mentioned, my example is my goal is to sell product, and I have a e-commerce website. So If your marketing objective is different, then you can choose any of this option from these three columns. First is awareness. In awareness, if your goal is to just promote your pictures or videos without any driving traffic and any other, if your just goal is to boost your and make your content goes viral, marketing campaign, your message goes viral, then you can choose any of this. And if your goal is to drive traffic, drive engagement on your social media post and up install videos, reels, lead generation, and send your audience to send you a message on whatever, on Facebook or Instagram. So those are the very different because of my goal is to sell products, so I'm going to choose from conversion columns. So I'm going to choose conversion because of I'm selling online through online checkout. So after conversion, I'm simply going to click on setup account, and here country and currency, time zone. Okay, so in next, here is I'm going to first step, I have to set up pixel. Pixel is actually a piece of code provided by Facebook, which allow you to track your visitor audience, what happen after they click on ad and go to website. You can capture data like which product they are purchasing after clicking on your ads, and which of the page they are leaving. So you can use those data to optimize your advertisement campaign, and it is very helpful. So first, if your goal is to sell product, then you must set up create a pixel and install on your website. So I have already installed it, so I can just go next. So I have as you can see, I created new pixel, and you can follow this step. So first of, I'm going to select a event. Those are event. Those event are as a captured by Facebook. If someone add product to my cart, to their cart, Facebook will show me that I have got one conversion. But I'm not going to select add to cart, because my overall goal is to sell products. So I'm going to select purchase. Okay, so here is purchase. Okay, so and I'm going to move next step. So second step, inside the creating ad, it is third step, I think. Okay, so here I can create a new custom audience or target audience based on interest, location, and data like that. So for example, I'm going to select so I just enter a few of the data like interest, footwear and shoes, and I narrow down those two interests with sports. And here is Facebook say, and must also match at least one of the following. It's mean like this one, as you can see the picture audience here, and I'm targeting those audience. Those are the people who have interest in footwear and sports, and those are sports. So I'm going to target middle of the audience. So you can do more research based on your advertisement goal. So I'm just showing you. I'm not actually serious on setting on campaign. So you can also save this audience. And next is placement. So I'm not sure about Facebook placement, because Facebook in default is going to place my ad on multiple platforms: Facebook, Instagram, audience network, things like that. So my goal is to only place ad on Instagram. So I'm going to edit placement, and I'm not sure about desktop, I'm mobile phone, and I'm going to unselect all of this option, and Facebook Messenger, and those are I only want to show ad on Instagram feeds, no story, because of if I start to advertise on a story, then I have to create a different graphics for a story. So I want to only advertise on feeds. Okay, so only it's one option is selected. So here if I want to target all of the mobile users, so okay, so I can also select only when connected to Wi-Fi. This will narrow down the audience. If audience is using cellular data connection, then my advertisement ad will not show them. Facebook will not show them. So I don't want to do this. Okay, so here is next is budget. So budget is I'm going to leave it default. It's depend on you, and even a schedule, it's I'm going to leave it default. Next is optimize for ad delivery. So conversion, as I have already mentioned before, that my goal is to sell product and drive traffic to my website and sell product. So I'm going to leave this conversion, because it is perfect for my advertisement goal. Okay, so I'm also going to leave it 7 days. Okay, bid. Okay, I can set up even bid, how much maximum I'm going to pay for per purchase, and if not, then I will leave it to Facebook to optimize my bid based on competition and things like that. So it is depend on you how much product price you are selling. If you are selling expensive price, then lower cost of cost per purchase is going to also high. So I'm just going to leave it default and click on next, continue. So next is here's important step. As I have already mentioned, that you have to convert your Instagram account into business account, and also connect your Instagram account with your Facebook page. So here you have to choose your Instagram account and Facebook. Here is Instagram account, and here is Facebook page. So and next is format. So I'm going to use a simple image. I'm not sure about others, because my goal is to promote one product. So if I had multiple product, I will choose collection and videos, and if I want to promote one product using multiple image, then I will choose this one for sure. So next step is to upload content, image, graphics, and here after uploading graphics, here is the main part, the landing page and the ad copy here. So it's depend on you what product is you are going to sell, and what your goal is. as per my requirement, I'm going to show you how to design a graphics. So guys, in second step, creating a banner for your advertisement campaign, I'm going to use Canva, which is a free online graphics design tools, and you can visit canva.com. So as per Facebook recommendation, image size is going to be 1200 x 628, but as per my experience, 1080 x 1080 work perfect. So I'm going to use 1080s x 1080s. So this is going to be a equal height and width image, which is default for Instagram. So it is this image size is for all of the Facebook platform, but the reason I'm choosing 1080 x 1080 is because I'm only targeting on Instagram platform. So you can tweak this design using their layout. You can use to put your product image there. So guys, I got a very simple graphics design for my sports shoes, which I have also downloaded, and I'm going to upload this image on Facebook Ad Manager, and I'm going to show you how it will look. So here I just uploaded this image, and here it's look on Instagram feeds. So it is the looks, and after that I'm going to write here add copy. Just for example, I'm going to write to anything, like for example text. I'm just leaving text here. So here I'm going to paste my home page website anything. So this is landing page. It's going to be your product page if your goal is to sell products. So I'm going to change call to action to buy now, shop now. I think, yeah, there is not buy now. So shop now here. So this is the complete, and I have just to confirm this, and Facebook will take some time, like 1 hour, to confirm this ad, and my ad will be live on Instagram. So guys, I hope you have learned, and I wish you for your Instagram advertisement. If you want to download graphics Photoshop template for your Instagram ad and Facebook social media banner, please visit my website at ericsuniversity.com. And even if you want to learn more about marketing, Instagram marketing, and also internet marketing, visit my website ericsuniversity.com for more info. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.